No. What? Your hair's plaited. Let it. It was just a symbol of my conformity to the man. You are so tough. So, what do you think? Maybe you could live down here. I don't even know why we have this room down here, but there's food, water, first aid kit, gas mask, Russian language books. It's very well insulated.
It won't be where you're going. The police are on their way.
Mom, please don't send my best friend this big house.
Penny, hush.
You haven't heard the last of me, Mrs. Singleton. Things need to change, and I won't stop trying to change them. I don't care how long it takes.
Good. You'll be waiting 20 to life. Get the checkbook, Penny. Don't you touch my canned tuna.
Get to the top if I'm steady, and we're loved.